Hello children, today we are going to learn lesson number 18 of English Bal Bharti Standard 4 and the name of the lesson is Growing Up. Children, we all know that we all go through different stages of development. For example, when you were a newborn baby, you were too small physically also and mentally also. So as the time passes on, the child keeps growing and now you are in standard 4. So children, does this happen only with human being? No, it happens. This process of development, the process of growing up happens with all the animals also and human beings also. So in this lesson, growing up, we are going to see the growth of a butterfly and a frog. So let's start. But before I start, I would like to give you some information. Now in this picture, you can see how a chicken and then an adult hen is formed. First egg and then it goes into chick and then after that an adult hen is formed. Same way for plants also, not only animals, the plants also go through different stages of development. You can see here from a seed, okay, first we sow the seed and then from seed this stages of development and then finally we get the mango fruit. And let's take our example, that is the human life cycle. First we look like this and then a newborn baby, then we become child, then adolescence, then a mature teenager, and then you can say it's old age, and then after it it's death. So even plants, animals, human beings, we all have our life cycle. So in this lesson growing up, we are going to see the life cycle of butterfly and frog. So let's see first the life cycle of frog. Before I start the poem, I want you all to understand how does a frog evolve. So here we go. The life cycle of a frog. So first eggs are formed, then it changes into a tadpole with 2 legs, tadpole with 4 legs, and then finally a froglet and then an adult frog. So these are the different stages of life cycle of a frog. So let's see. I hope you all have understood how from the eggs an adult frog is formed. Let's go to the next one. So let's start your poem. It is written by none other than C.J. Dennis. Who is the poet of the poem? C.J. Dennis. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. It's about a Tommy Tadpole. The name of the frog is Tommy. So tadpole, once I say tadpole, you have to imagine this picture. A small mouth and a big tail. He started weeping and wailing. What is weep and wail? Crying loudly, making a crying sound. For little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. Why was this tadpole crying? Why was he weeping and wailing? Because he had lost his little tail. See how he is crying. How Mr. Tadpole is crying. And his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log. What is log? See, a wooden block where the frog is sitting. But the mother didn't recognize the tadpole because he wasn't the Tommy Tadpole. So who was he? He was grown up into a Mr. Thomas Frog. The mother didn't recognize the child because Tommy Tadpole looked like this. But Mr. Thomas Frog, after losing his tail, he looked like this, so mother couldn't recognize him. Now again let's recite the poem Mr. Thomas Frog. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail, and his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. Okay, children, now we have seen the life cycle of a frog. And in this poem, the second poem, we are going to see the life cycle of a butterfly. You know, children, the process through which the adult butterfly emerges is called as metamorphosis. So first, an egg is laid on the leaf. Then later, the egg changes into a caterpillar. Caterpillar stage is also called as larva. And then the third stage is of chrysalis. It is also called as pupa stage, and then an adult emerges from it. And finally, an adult butterfly is formed. So this is how from an egg, a adult butterfly, beautiful and attractive butterfly is formed. I hope बच्चों आप सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा. Now see this poem also, The Butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis and then fell asleep. You can see the fuzzy little caterpillar. Fuzzy means something which is not clear, unclear. So the caterpillar, you can see, is not clear. So it curled upon a leaf. In the picture you can see made herself a chrysalis. This is the chrysalis stage of a butterfly. And then fell asleep. After converting into the chrysalis stage, it started sleeping. Who? The fuzzy little caterpillar. As I should remind you, the life cycle of a butterfly. The first stage is egg and then caterpillar. So here we are talking about caterpillar. Now in the picture I have tried to make it very clear, children. I hope I'm not missing anything. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later when she woke up, she was a butterfly. And then into the chrysalis stage, when she was sleeping, she couldn't dream. After she woke up from the dream, she saw that she is turned into a beautiful butterfly and she is ready to fly. She was a beautiful butterfly. The butterfly. Now let's recite the poem once again. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis and then fell asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Thank you so much, children, and congratulations to us, and thank you so much for your lovely support that you have given me. Please keep watching my videos and subscribe if you are new here. We'll meet soon with a new video.